There are 5 AI skills you need to master in this era to remain employable. They're saying that AI is not after a job. Those who knows how to use AI are the ones that are going to replace you in your job role. It's quite true. So I'm going to tell you 5 skills you need to master in artificial intelligence for you to remain employable. Here we go. Number 1 is prompt engineering, and this cannot be overemphasized. When you know how to prompt generative AI, no matter which one you prefer to use, whether it's DeepSeek or ChatGPT or Google Gemini, whatever you prefer to use, if you know how to prompt it appropriately, you'll be able to get the most out of it. So instead of just being generic in your prompting, how about you being a little bit detailed, giving it context, giving it example, giving it a lot of the works you've done in the past, so that it can be able to model after how you write, whether you're a content creator or a designer. There is a way you prompt AI and you get the most out of these machines, and I think it's very vital in this era for you to pay attention to prompt engineering, learn it, and you can be able to get a lot of things out of it. Once you have mastered prompt engineering, I think the next thing as an individual you need to pay attention to is actually data analysis. The world is data driven. There is no field of study. There is no sector that is not actually driven by data. Companies are making informed decisions based on available data, their customer data, and what you have out there. So I think the best thing for us to do, or for you to do as somebody who wants to be skilled in this AI age, is for you to actually understand how you can use those tools, including ChatGPT, DeepSeek. It's not something that is out of the blues. It's not rocket science, so to say. Just put your data inside this generative AI and ask them to make a sense out of your data. It could be, you are trying to analyze why a product is selling, what month they sell fast, why they sell on that particular month. This generative AI can actually help you make this informed decision in seconds. I've actually used them and it's quite quick and efficient. So you just have to have, in combination of your prompt engineering skill to understand the basics of the data analysis, for you to combine them to make informed decision for your business, or whether for your work, whether to grow your social media channels, and all those kind of things. It helps a lot, and I think we should pay more attention to that. By now, I'm assuming that you must have heard about AI automation. And if you haven't, it's quite okay. AI automation means the ability for you to automate some of those repetitive tasks that you do. Most of them are so repetitive, but also so time consuming that it saps you of your creativity. At the end of the day, you are just doing something that is boring, repetitive, and you don't have the creativity to create something unique out there for either your customers or your audience, or whatever you do. So AI automation is now there for you to, dedicate those tasks to, for AI to get it done for you. And it can be done in microseconds. It can be done really, really fast, from Zapier helping you to answer email, because you now have the plugin to your ChatGPT that can help you automate your email responses, to Superflow. A lot of them are there, and I'm promising you that in my next video, I'm actually going to take my time to explain what AI automation means, how you can learn them, what specific AI plugins that you need for your specific tasks, whether you're a designer, a content producer, or a content writer, that can actually help you automate some specific tasks. I'm going to take my time to do that video. You must follow me and like this video and share, so that others will be able to get that when it drops. Search engine optimization is still a thing, but there is a spin to it. Instead of you waiting for Google to release their latest update for you to understand the next requirement that can help you rank on Google, you can actually use ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or any of those generative AI, including that of Google's, to help optimize your content. And this is crucial. In this short span lifestyle that we live today in this digital era, it's quite unfortunate that most people does not have the time to scroll through, those web results in order to get what they need. So you have to optimize your content, and there is no better way right now for you to optimize your content rather than using ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and any of those generative AI. It is crucial that you know how to use them. So after writing your content, a quick way to do that is that after writing your content, just copy it, paste on ChatGPT, and ask it to optimize it. What are the keywords that people are actually asking for? You can use search. That's the search option on ChatGPT to research, to understand which particular word or phrases that people are using to search in that particular content that you are writing. So you have to use ChatGPT or any of these generative AI to do a thorough optimization of your content before you publish them. This is crucial, and it's a skill that you must learn in this AI era that will set you apart from others. Lastly, the era where you must be a tech bro for you to write code is almost coming to an end. You can actually write code and build chat flows, build automation apps without knowing how to actually code. So there are non-code AI automation tools out there that you must learn. So as an individual trying to build your own small company or whatever that you're trying to build out there, you can actually help yourself by trying to learn non-code AI automation skills, from Baden to AirOps to Superflow. Those AI automation tools helps you to code, not only to code, but to help you to build things that ordinarily you require a developer to help you build. It is out there for you to learn, and it is easy to learn. That is the most interesting part of it. So if this video helps you a lot, please subscribe, share, and see you next time.